Hey everybody. Okay, so we're going to just take a couple of minutes and talk about how to use comments in your CSS file. So in the previous video I introduced to you the comments of HTML, which has a starting component of the bracket, the exclamation mark, two dashes, and then the ending being two dashes, and then the right caret. So comments are similar in that I can make comments in my CSS page. If I want to make comments, I can start my comment with a forward slash and then an asterisk. And the book tends to call the wrapper the main container. I'm always just in the habit of calling my main container container, and that's generally the container that holds all of the elements. So in this example here, you can see that I can save my CSS file, and I just have my starter plate example of a document here. Now, where comments come in very handy in CSS is when you want to experiment with some of these selectors that you're working with to be able to see differences on maybe color or something like that. So say, for instance, I wanted to take out this background color and not delete my code, but just kind of exclude this one command right here from displaying on the screen so I could see what that would look like. So comments have an opening and closing just like HTML. So here's my opening, a forward slash, and then an asterisk, and then the closing is the asterisk and the forward slash. So if I want to comment out this background so it doesn't appear, so I could see what my document would look like without that cascading style sheet rule, then I can go ahead and comment that out, save my CSS, refresh, and that has excluded the background color. It's commented it out. It's just stopped that code from parsing. So this is a good technique if you want to experiment with your code, and then of course not have to keep typing your code over. You can just comment it out instead of deleting it, or comment it out to be able to see what different properties and values will give you. So there's one last video in the sequence, and you should be all set to start on your hands-on exercises for Chapter 6.